Okay, tonight it was a little bit clear compared to last night, which was really foggy. And I was able actually to go and set up a small telescope. I didn't want to take a big, heavy one. So I went and put this telescope. It's an OpticStar AR90S 90mm refractor. It's a short tube refractor. I used the Zeiss microscope eyepiece. It's a Pl-10, I think, 20-20, and this is equal to 25mm and 57 degrees field of view. Is comparing this with the panoptic. I've seen people comparing the view with the panoptic 24mm 68 degrees. Really good eyepiece, 1/6 of the price of it. So I watched the Comet ZTF. This is near the Hyades in the Taurus, close by to the Aldebaran and Sigma Tauri. Of course, is moving. The situation is moving. I hold the camera as a Huawei P30 Pro mobile phone against the eyepiece, nothing else, and I was able to catch it. The mount is a Flextube, Skywatcher Flextube 130 Dobsonian tabletop mount, white one. So my estimate of the magnitude of the comet is around magnitude 7. The online data says it's magnitude 7.1, so close enough. In good seeing conditions, you can actually see the fan-shaped tail of the comet easy. It was a little foggy and wet tonight, but I could see the tail clearly. I also turned the telescope toward the Great Orion Nebula Messier 42 or M42, and I was able to capture this. I'm really happy. One of the best views I've ever had with any camera, a mobile phone camera, with this telescope. Really nice wide field of view, really everything visible. Of course, a very wide camera means that you will have also some distortion slight, and also a little bit discoloration because this telescope is not apochromatic. And that's the reason we had some purple fringing, a little bit blue light. You know, this doesn't claim that it is apochromat. It's an achromat. It's cheap, but it's very versatile, and I'm really happy to have it.